Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, and let me show you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the camera app, and now make sure that you're on the video mode. So simply tap on the video here, and now we can tap on the three bars icon. And as you can see, at the very first position, we've got the bar connected to the video resolution, and we've got four options to choose from. Now we've got 1080p applied, and you can say it because it is highlighted. But if you want to change it, simply tap on the option you want to use. So for example, I will use 4K and 30 frames per second. So simply tap on it. As you can see, it has been immediately applied, and from now on you can record videos in chosen quality. So actually that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.